Have you noticed your energy is not the same as before? What if your body is quietly losing testosterone right now? If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like it. Today, we are talking about low testosterone after 50 and 7 signs your body may be changing. Testosterone naturally declines with age, but for many men, the drop is faster than normal, and the signs are often ignored. First, constant fatigue. If you feel tired even after sleeping well, and your energy disappears by afternoon, low testosterone could be the reason. Second, reduced muscle mass. Are your arms and legs getting thinner even if your weight stays the same? Testosterone helps maintain muscle. When it drops, muscle slowly fades. Third, increased belly fat. If fat around your stomach increases easily and is hard to lose, hormonal changes may be involved. Fourth, low motivation. If you feel less driven, less competitive, or less interested in goals you once cared about, this is not just aging. Hormones affect your brain. Fifth, mood changes. Irritability, mild depression, or feeling emotionally flat can be linked to low testosterone. Sixth, low libido. A clear drop in sexual desire is one of the most common signs. Many men feel embarrassed to talk about it, but it is a strong indicator. Seventh, weaker erections. This does not always mean heart disease. Hormone levels play a major role. After 50, stress increases, sleep quality decreases, and physical activity often drops. All of this lowers testosterone even more. But here is the important part. Low testosterone is not something you should guess. A simple blood test can measure your levels. If you notice several of these signs, talk to your doctor. Now, how can you support healthy testosterone naturally? Lift weights or do resistance exercises at least 3 times a week. Sleep 7 to 8 hours per night. Reduce sugar and processed food. Get enough healthy fats and protein. Manage stress. No supplement can replace these habits. Your body is changing, that is normal, but ignoring the signs is not smart. Strong men do not ignore problems, they face them early. Take control of your health before your body forces you to.